One of the primary goals of the volunteer lawyer program is to get this need for representation with this supply of advocates. We have seen this great upsurge in litigation. Things such as credit card collections, mortgage foreclosures, child custody and child support modifications, and other litigation that's caused by the economy. We need to remember that any one of us under certain circumstances could be in their position. You'll hear from some of these people who are caught up in these forces over which they have very little or no control. And they are the people that our legal profession must rescue.
I was in need of a family court lawyer, and I was given one by the Birmingham Volunteer Lawyers Program, and I'm petitioning for custody of my kids. It's so great to have a lawyer because I don't know what my options are. She's awesome. I've only had her 10 days and she's already filed a motion, so I'm really excited.
Well, the first pro bono case I ever did was actually for an active duty United States soldier. He's a lieutenant in the Army. While he was serving in Iraq as a combat platoon leader, he actually had the additional responsibility of having to keep government money in his trailer, which is where they lived, to pay out to local militia groups in order to aid in the counterinsurgency. As it turns out, one day he goes out on patrol, responding to a call, emergency situation, and when he gets back to the trailer, he notices that thousands of dollars have gone missing. As it turns out, he had requested a safe on numerous occasions, which the government should have provided him according to its own regulations. They didn't provide him the safe and were trying to hold him liable. I was able to represent him, and through our efforts we were able to show that he should have had the safe, and because he didn't, he was not held liable for any of the funds that were missing. He actually wrote me a nice note after I represented him, about 4 pages actually, on stationery, in which he said that he was just glad to have it behind him and he was looking forward to the mission ahead. So I feel like I was able to just give a little bit back to him, somebody who's given so much to our community and the country.
My case is for child support modification. A little bit of background on me. I'm an outside salesperson with a marketing firm. So you can imagine my income has been drastically affected by our economy. We have trimmed all the fat and now we're trimming into necessities. So you can imagine when you don't have necessities, you certainly don't have the funds to attain an attorney. I love my children. I want to pay child support. I want to support them, but I can't do it at the level that I did 2 years ago, and I need help representing me to get that reduced. My attorney is a godsend. They are there whenever I do need to call them when it is necessary, so I'm very pleased. Through the help of the volunteer lawyer program, my case is getting resolved.
Sharon Parker came to me through the Bvlp. She had overdue credit card bills, and finally the credit card company sued her for the balance that was owed. She had lost her job and at that point was just kind of down on her luck, and they had filed suit against her. She was able to work with me and work with the plaintiff's counsel to actually get a payment plan in order where she could make a small payment, but something that she could actually do on a monthly basis. So I think that she was happy with getting it taken care of. I was just glad to actually be able to see a result from beginning to end. I mean, working at a firm, I get to work with clients and work on cases from beginning to end, but it's not really like my actual client or my actual case, and it was cool because I got to do it all on my own and kind of figure it out on my own and help somebody directly and immediately, and it was a very awesome feeling.
Oh, it was a very good case for them. I'm hoping, because it was about restitution for an automobile accident. And they did a wonderful job for to be volunteer attorneys, and I hope we can get more of them. People like me need lawyers like you.